All right, so we're gonna do a shot of the Macallan. They want it as a snifter. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. All right, so we're gonna do a shot of the Macallan. They want it as a snifter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That pretty red brown thing. That pretty
They want to add some Angostura bitters. They want to make it a little bit bitter. We're gonna get the 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Oh yeah.
Hey, why the fuck I got this liquid in my pocket?
Okay, so we're gonna do an old fashioned today. We're gonna take a cherry. We're gonna take an orange. We're gonna take some Angostura bitters. 1, 2, 3. Do 3 dashes of the bitters. We're gonna take your muddler.